Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, classmate. Here are the presentation of Group 3 in final reporting on business ethics. Content. What is business ethics? Why it is important? Research title, summary of the study. Conclusion, bibliography, group members. What is business ethics? Business ethics refers to the standards for morally right and wrong conduct in business law. Partially defined, the conduct, but legal and ethical aren't necessarily the same. Business ethics enhance the law by outlining acceptable behaviors beyond government controls. So sa business ethics po ay tumatalakay po siya sa trabaho na kung saan magamit po natin ang tamang pagdesisyon kung makakabuti o makakasama ito. At nakapaloob po rito yung batas na ginawa ng gobyerno upang sundin. At once na nilabag natin ito ay maaari tayong magkaroon ng consequences or hindi kaya ay maaari tayong managot sa batas. Business ethics drives employees' behavior. According to the 2018 Global Business Ethics Survey, employees are more likely to apply ethical reasoning when their company clearly demonstrates why business ethics is important. 99% of US employees who experience a strong ethics culture said they are prepared to handle ethical issues. Companies that advocate for business ethics motivate their employees to perform their roles with integrity. Karamihan daw po sa mga nagtatrabaho ay nadala po nila yung na kanila natutunan mula sa paaralan at sa pagsagot po ng ethical kung tinatanong kung ano po yung kahalagahan nito sa mga loob ng pagtatrabaho at isa rin po ito sa napakagandang advokasya dahil mas nagiging responsibilidad and natuto yung bawat individual na gawin yung kanilang trabaho ng tama. History of business ethics. The history of business ethics in the United States can be viewed as the intersection of three intertwined strands. Each of these, in turn, can be divided into at least two related branches. The first strand, which I shall call the ethics in business strand, is the long tradition of applying ethical norms to the business just as it has been applied to other areas of social and personal life. So, sa first branch po is na-apply po nila yung natutunan nila sa kanilang buhay. At maging sa mga relihiyosong tao po ay na-apply po nila ang business ethics at nagagamit po nila ng tama. At sa second strand naman natin is the development of an academic field which has been cancelled, business ethics. It also has two main branches, one being the philosophical business ethics branch, which normative and critical, and the other, the social scientific branch, which is primarily descriptive and empirical. So dito naman po is nagiging critical